this video, we are going to show you how you can save 50% off for 2 months with Manychat Pro. Now, if you are using Manychat Pro, you want to save as much as you can. And with the link below we have provided on the description, you can actually do that. So when you click on the link below, you're going to be brought to this page right here. Now, once you're here, you want to look towards your left-hand side, click on the Get Your 50% discount like so. It's going to bring you to this page right here when you can connect via Meta or Instagram or the business suite. So click on connect via Instagram. All right, once you have connected, you're going to be asked to fill up certain things. So who is this account for? You can just choose whatever. I'm just going to click for myself, click next, choose whatever money making you're doing. So partnerships, sponsorships, digital products, you actually do affiliate marketing, so on and so forth. Click next, choose whatever tools you're using. So say OpenAI, click next. So how did you hear about us? Just choose whatever option you have here. For example, there you go. After that, you can just click on start free trial like so. And then once you are here on the checkout counter or checkout page, you can either pay with link or use your card or your Google Pay or your bank account and just fill it up. It's pretty much the same checkout process, just like any other service or product you buy online, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.